chance of showers remains, but if they happen, they'll be of the isolated variety. A perfect example of that occurred yesterday around supper time. We're going to set up the forecast here now as we take you to the Calgary Weather Office, where we're joined by Brian Stafora of Environment Canada. Hi, Brian.
Hi, Dave.
Well, we're looking at some pictures here now at that freak show that bombarded us here in the North End yesterday at supper time. It's the accumulations here at the Shaw parking lot. Something to behold, but depending where you were in the city, you had no idea this was going on elsewhere. What happened yesterday?
Yeah, well, like you said, as you can see, there are fairly good accumulations of hail in some spots, but the storm really actually caught more the north central and northeast part of the city rather than catching anyone else. Areas out to the northwest, Tuscany, Hawkwood areas, probably in around anywhere from 2 to 5 millimeters only of rain, but close to the airport and into the northeast parts with the hail and the rain, precipitation amounts amounted to 25 to 30 millimeters.
All right, now with that much moisture on the ground, the amount that we've had in the last few days, as I said, that risk remains, and you guys are watching the dew point, I guess, to see what happens. Explain that to me.
Yeah, well, when we have high dew points, that means a lot of low-level moisture in the air. And again, when you put that 75 millimeters of precipitation like we've had in the last few days on the ground, you put the sun onto it, that kind of heats it up and rises it up back up to the air, recycles it. So it doesn't take a lot of heating. As we saw yesterday, our temperatures only reached 16 degrees, but because we had so much moisture on the ground, that little bit of heat that we did get popped that stuff back up, caused all that thunderstorm activity, and moved it on its way. So I mean, we're looking at we looked at about 20 degrees today. We're looking at about 22 to 23 for the next couple of days. So don't be surprised again if you see a few afternoon showers develop just because of that low-level moisture.
Can you forecast hail like that? I mean, we always hear the chance of showers. We rarely hear hail expected this afternoon. Can you make a call like that, or?
It's really tough. You know, there's a lot of factors that contribute to see how much hail and what the size of hail is going to be. So I mean, that one caught us a little bit by surprise. We didn't expect anything more than some showers just because the temperatures were so cool. But again, if you got factors coming in, we had a jet stream kind of coming in, we had the low level moisture, we had some cooling aloft, and again, once those updrafts and downdrafts start happening, that's what the hail starts creating. When you get those drops falling down, they go back up, they freeze, and they keep on recycling.
Well, it is June in Calgary. No doubt we're going to see more of that to come. But the forecast, real quick, over the next couple of days, not too bad.
Yeah.
Showers aside, right?
That's right. Yeah. Look for mainly sunny skies throughout the days, but look for that afternoon cloud to develop. Possibility of a late day shower each afternoon here into Saturday and Sunday, and basically temperatures in around 23 or 24. That cold front does want to move through early in the morning on Sunday, though, and it'll turn our temperatures downward, probably more towards 18 degrees. Look for the winds to shift to the northwest. It would be kind of windy. Monday, about the same thing, kind of cool, about 16 degrees, probably a mix of sun and cloud.
All right, Brian, thanks very much.
Okay.
If you'd like to stay on top of conditions, you can check the Environment Canada weather bar. You'll find it on the left side of your Shaw TV screen, and the conditions, the forecast there, are updated every 10 minutes, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.